Do I ride my horse down? Or what? Oh, shit. I'm probably supposed to ride my horse down. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah, hey.
Shit.
Back on the par 4. I Red Dead Redemption. That was dumb. Bring my mic a little closer. There we go.
How you getting on?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Oh, I could have came down right there.
Forward to this. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes.
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay? I think so. Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
No.
Gentlemen, it's time.
Oh, man.
Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
About to rob a train.
Here we go.
Oh,
Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that moron?
You said it was fine.
My
Come
fault.
on!
You're pathetic. You know that?
I don't think anything gonna go right.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, Geronimo! Oh, snap! Oh, that was Javier. And this is
Hey,
me.
down here!
I don't know, man.
Pull me up! I've got you. Now stop yelling. Arthur, help me!
Oh, I got tapped.
Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Let's go.
Oh, snap.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Can I loot?
Arthur. Who's going?
No.
Okay, I'll just deal with it.
I'm trying to loot.
We moving up?
Yeah.
up the wire, but we won't mention that.
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
I got these sons of bitches. I'm going up. We have to stop this train.
How you doing there?
I'm okay. We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
Oh, snap.
Shoot him, damn it!
I swear I shot Lenny. They just gave that to me. I shot Lenny. My bad. My bad, Lenny.
Shit, more cars! That train car!
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something. Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this?
Oh, got that boy.
Where the hell are the others?
What did it say? Switch between what?
I don't know.
Oh, left and right.
Look, they're coming out of that last car.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. Hey, there's the other boy. They're skipping. Get off the train.
Oh, no, that's us.
Sons of bitches. Good. Oh, brother. Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
I need to loot. Need to fix my dead eye also. Tonics. Need provision. I need. There we go. Messes with my stamina.
We don't have time to play games.
You're right.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Cornwall.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
Crack fire from the hip.
That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light
Here we
the
go.
fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
All right, Javier.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
What's your name?
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will you? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good. Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's
Cornwall.
keen. I'll give you that.
Mr. Cornwall, we are yet to
Okay,
receive payment of
see if we
$2,000
can
for the
get
initial
this
phase
open.
of exploration at the Wapiti Wapiti Indian Reservation in
There.
Amberino, as agreed in a contract between Cornwall. Okay.
Ah,
They have not been paid.
there. See? That's how it's done.
Oh, I kept the letter? Cause we
Shit.
later.
Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read.
Give me those.
Okay. I'll read all this later. Maybe.
Railroad contracts, invoices, blah, blah, blah. You got anything?
Not really. Sugar imports from the Spanish West Indies. A lot of sugar. Some fancy new boat he's ordered from Europe.
I am not robbing another boat as long as I live.
No, this looks like something.
Have you checked all the drawers and cabinets?
We're bombed.
Think I got him.
Nice.
Well, thank God. Come on.
Just waiting on you, Arthur.
Tried to inspect the car, but started doing too much moving.
What did you find? These bonds. They worth anything? Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this? The train? Yeah, get it out of here. What about them? What do you think? I don't know. It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us. Okay. See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
All right.
Okay, get on the train, quick, all of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on, move!
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Said quick. If I hear so much as a footstep from this car, you'll end up like all your friends out here.
Could have been looking at all these. Look at all these bodies here. I'll get that, make up that money later.
Oh, for Lord's sake! Put
Eastward
that away
bound.
and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Up and go do your job.
Now put some lip chow. Lips is dry. Okay, I'm not even on on key, on beat, on nothing. Yeah, I definitely can't hit that note. Way out of my range.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
What? I don't know if you know Micah don't like us blacks. I don't trust him with Lenny at all.
Get us out the street! Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Look at my wheel. I knew it.
Shit!
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there?
Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say less.
Say less. Say less.
Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
Now, who was up there?
What do you think?
Oh, the
If they
Indians.
wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen him.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you.
That we killed. Dang, they're all their people.
Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly?
Right.
We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me.
Wait. Oh.
Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man.
Right on.
He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did. When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again.
Damn.
We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yep. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
Oh, shoot.
It's a good place to lie low.
No different now.
Human.
And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, I missed the, Can I go backwards?
Yep.
Can I go backwards?
Easy there.
Hey, man. What the hell? Talking about.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. You don't woke up now, man?
Yep.
Thank you for the truck. So,
Head in there and follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump
Yep.
on.
Pick up old Harvey.
Okay, let's go.
Any trouble getting in here, Javier?
Went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this will work for us, Arthur. For now, anyway. Here we are, gentlemen. Home, sweet home.
And we made it.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur
Yeah,
and I
bro.
were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck, east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course,
Now
Herr
why do you have to
Strauss.
break that?
I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know
I'm recording.
that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Yes, it was.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
Okay.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice.
Right on.
Now be sensible out there.
Now the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff
Come
from
on,
Blackwater got
quesadilla.
saved.
Everything
So
apart
you
from
telling me?
money.
Oh, don't remind
So
me.
what? So you telling me you gonna make some quesadillas and don't make me now?
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
When have I never not ate a quesadilla? Chapter 2. Horseshoe. I don't know what that said. Couple of weeks later.
Got off the mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, in spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
Yeah. he
There's
broke
a
it.
bunch of the boys already in
They just call.
Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train
don't break it.
station by the lake,
Leave it
apparently.
alone.
And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
All right.
Oh, Arthur, my boy. My dear boy. What's going on? Nothing. Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks. Nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more. I hope so, Dutch. You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it. And I ain't losing it now.
But I remember these black spots all work. Chores. Yeah, do some chores around here.
Use a slug of whiskey in this.
Maybe after lunch, eh?
Oh, where I put this? No. I just walk behind the horse. Please don't kick me. You know, that make my dead eye go up. Oh, I got to do chores all the time. I'm not ready to do it.
I wonder if I'll ever not smell a campfire again.
I think it's in our skin now.
Morning, Arthur.
Morning, morning. Yeah, talk to him. My man gonna be him. He gonna be the engineer the way he be taking stuff apart. He don't know how to build yet, but he knows how to destroy.
Always the same people doing all the work, isn't it?
Good job, Arthur.
Cut some wood. Gotta do my chores. Gotta pull my weight. Yeet.
Time to chop more wood.
Right on, little boy. Yeet. Where are you going off by himself? Yep. Same wheels. Ah, yeah. Okay. Increase your deadline level through gameplay and unlock new perks, trick shots, hunting, crafting, and other survivalist related activities. Oh, those will increase it.
I just wanted to say, I'm sorry about your husband, your home.
Oh, that's
He
that
was
lady.
worth 100 of you thieves and murderers.
I have no doubt. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Wanted to drop her off at town.
Okay, Mrs. Hello.
How are you, Jack? Hear you was sick?
A little bit, but Uncle Hosea gave me some medicine.
Okay, good.
I don't know what he said.
I got you. Kill myself too. We both know that ain't true.
Well, because I'm planning making a video. That's why. I had to donate.
I apologize in advance for this stew. It needs better meat.
Donate it all.
Just make sure it goes into the pot, not your pocket.
Good job, Arthur. Not the best quality, but some seasoning will hide it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Arthur.
I can't fix it. There's a snap right there. Can't fix it. That's why I bought you all them new cars, because this one was on its last leg. What did it say? Crafting over
Hello. I'm very into my crafting at the moment, Mr. Morgan. I'm very happy to make you something if you bring me the right materials.
What do I have to bring? Oh, the recipe. Deer pelt, buck pelt, elk pelt. Okay.
Thanks, Pierce.
Yeah. All right, sir. I see you ain't gonna let me play the game. You ain't gonna let me make a video. Yeah, video. What? All right. Let's go to photo mode. Take me a little nice little picture. Oh. Thank you. Yeah, well, a little lean to it. Run it up a little bit. Filters on it. There we go, that's bright. Lord. guess it's getting prepared for the. Alright. This gonna be normal. Get one. There we go. We'll get that one. Alright. I'm gonna get at y'all later. My son ain't allowing me to play. Y'all hear him? Oh, Daddy, you gotta speak in English. I don't know all them other languages, young sir. You're telling me to fix this truck. And you see it. Then he broke it. This is what old Daddy did. Can I get some glue? Maybe I can fix it. Alright then, y'all. Peace. It's fun while it lasted.